Yep, so I think we'll just fuck with this for now. That's pretty. It's a little too pretty, but fuck it. We'll see where we can go with it. Plugins. What? I still have to organize my folders, so it's all like easy to find. But we're fucking with Omnisphere right now. Shouts out to Nolo Grace for kicking me down with this lovely expensive synthesizer, the Power Synth. I'm going to resample it. So here, I'll set the audio from resampling, and then I'm gonna hit the record button, and then I'm just gonna record and then just hope for a good loop. So here we go. Nope. No. I think I'm gonna smash like everyone. It's just 16. It's not consistent with what's going on. Everybody on the Instagram, pull up on the YouTube channel. Alright, so what we're gonna do now is we're just gonna fucking jimmy this because I don't like those peaks. Perfect. Yep. So we got it here. Let's go ahead and take that. And then we'll take all these, we'll consolidate it, and then we'll rename it good. Right? And then we can just delete all those. Boom. And then, so that's good. Let's see if we could just do this real quick. And then maybe if we follow. Ooh, I kind of like where that was sounding. Alright, so let's do legato. Hey, we already kind of got a vibe low key. Let's go. Let's see what's up with the vocals. We know we're in G Shizarp. So let's go to G sharp Miziner. Let's get some Vizocals. Let's go. Hey, that's whew, that was an easy find. That was an easy come up right there. That was an easy come up right there. We'll probably fuck with it, but it was already sounding really nice. It was already sounding really nice. Let's go. Hey. Oh, we don't want all those. Hold on, this needs to be warped a little bit. Yep. Shouts out to the cat real quick. The YouTube family, say what's up. Say what's up. Okay, now go away. Let's see. Let's see what kind of presets they have. Hey! Woo! Shit! Dude, let me get another resampling channel. Can I get another resampling channel? Let's go. Yes, sir. Resampling the wet signal, 100% wetness. Turn it off. And then that way we have the vocals. Ooh, that shit is nice. Gosh, your boy is so clean with it. You already know I'm so clean. I'm so clean. Just the shakers on the low. Let's cut this and reverse it. You know, if it ain't broke, don't fix it, honestly. But let's turn it down. Yeah, if it ain't broke, don't fix it, honestly. It's a little bit more important. And then let's just layer them both. Alright, let's see. It's much drier than I would like it to be. But hold on. Maybe if we layer with... Let's layer another snare in there. Hey. Let's see. Alright, let's fold. Let's put this here too. And then this here too. Yep. I think some of them could be pitched though, so let's pitch them a little bit. This one needs to be pitched. Almost. Hold on, let me pitch that kick. Yeah, that's not the official kick pattern. It was cool for now, but let's just open up this real quick, slowly. Damn, that's a fucking vibe. Ooh, your boy is nice with it. This just in. You're not subscribed to my channel. If you enjoy the content, hit the subscribe button. If you like the video and want this channel to grow and reach more people, hit the like button. This has been BlakeQuake at Quake News. Quake out.